This is a second generation iPod Touch with a cracked screen, and in this video we will show you how to take it apart. What you'll need is two safe open pry tools you can get off eBay, and anything that's really thin and metal works really good. So first, what you'll need to do is take the pry tools and go around the edge right there, all around. And once you do that, just take this, go right on the edges, and then this one came off, but there's a little cable right here that plugs in there. You just take it off and you got that. After you take off the glass screen, you just have to buy a full assembly off eBay. It has the home button and everything on it, and with the frame. It costs $27, and then I'll show you how to put it on. First, you have to snap the ribbon cable in. Sometimes it can take a little bit, other times it goes right in. Then after you snap that in, turn the iPod on and see if it works. Let's just see it does. So now that we know it works, just set it down. And snap it. So it's all in. Peel this off. Now it looks like we have a brand new iPod. Thanks for watching. I'll probably put a better video on soon.